Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Camaro. We'll be showing you how to install the ProClip console mount number 835232. Now before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. The first is that this mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see it under here as the blue covering, and also under here. You need to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. Now that tape is designed so if you ever have to remove the mount, it won't leave any marks or damage the dash. The second thing we want to mention is you want to install the mount to the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this is a pretty easy mount to install, so first thing you're going to do is take this J-shaped upper lip here, and that's going to go around the top of the console, and it's going to stick in place. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is the lower lip is going to insert into the seam between the hard plastic console and the carpet. So you're just going to push down on the mount until it snaps in. Once it's in place, you have a nice stable mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.